I cannot imagine anybody I know, including myself, doing what Mike Shimmick does. He's a school teacher. He and Carolyn are the father of 3 children. The coaches has organized a 24-hour care for Carolyn when her nose itches in the middle of the night. Mike is awake to scratch her nose. All the little things that we take for granted, and they're almost involuntary actions, Carolyn has to have someone do this for her, and Mike does it.
We're in a situation that requires a lot of commitment, loyalty, and dedication, and that's what we're going to do. First priority is taking care of Carolyn, all right, and all the things that need to be done so that she has the best care possible. And mentally I get tired, and physically I get tired sometimes. Let's just say that there are several days during the week that I'll get 3 to 4 hours of sleep, and there might be a couple of days out of the week that I'll get a little bit more than that. So probably I get about half as much sleep as I should. And I know that I need to care better for myself, but at this point I still have no solution.